welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one of the most awaited and most requested video, that is how to use aloe vera gel for your hair. So I'm going to quickly show you 4 DIYs of aloe vera gel for your hair. I'm using here the Patanjali one because I'm obsessed with this. You can use any aloe vera gel of yours, or you can directly use the plant one. Anything is okay, and I'm going to mention here the DIYs and the timings so that you can skip it if you don't like it. So let's get into it. DIY is preparing aloe vera hair oil. For that you will need aloe vera and hair oil. Obviously I'm taking here Parachute one. You can use any hair oil. To is warm your hair oil and add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix it together. I have applied hair oil and I'm now just going to massage, because a good massage means a good sound sleep and it helps in blood circulation. So we have applied Parachute coconut oil, so it will help in removing the dryness, and aloe vera helps in giving moisturized and hydrated look to your hair. So you can apply this before one day of your head bath, or like you can instantly apply half an hour before of your shampoo, and it acts as a great conditioner, guys, like a natural way to your hair. Do a nice braid and leave it for half an hour or 1 hour, it's up to you. So I'm just going to leave for half an hour, and now I'll be saying you the second step of it is applying hair mask. In order to get a small step is applying a hair mask, which will give a smooth and a frizz-free hair. So after applying champi and keeping it for half an hour, I'm going to apply here onion and aloe vera hair mask. So I have used 2 to 3 onions and to extract the juice out of it. So onions are really good. It helps in reducing your hair fall, helps in improving your hair, and also removes your dandruff from the scalp. If you don't like onions, you can also replace it with curd or yogurt. So you can apply this DIY once in a week to get a smooth and a frizz-free hair. Added in this 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and I'm now quickly going to apply it all through my scalp, and I'll show you 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in this, and I'm going to quickly apply it all over my hair and rest it for half an hour. So 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in it. It looks like a pista jelly. I'm going to apply this on my hair and settle it down for 30 minutes, or you can apply it and you can keep it for 1 hour or so. How it looks like. And now I'm going to secure it with a shower cap. You can just leave it so. Secured my mask, and I'm going to keep it for half an hour, and after that I'm going to wash this off with my regular shampoo. And make sure that you wash your hair with lukewarm water, because if you use extreme cold water or extreme hot water, it's going to affect your scalp and your hair, and that you don't want it actually. So after half an hour and after doing shampoo, I'll be back. This is how my hair looks, very smooth and shiny. Now I'm going to use this aloe vera as a conditioner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a thick layer on my palms, just like this, and I'm going to just rub it and just apply it on your hair, and lightly I'm going to massage it and leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. After applying conditioner, this is how my hair looks like, very soft and very silky. So 4th hack is preparing aloe vera hair serum. For that you need a hair spray bottle, and I have added 3/4 water, and I have added 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and I have just shaken like this. So what I'm going to do is spray it on the scalp just like this, and even on my hair, and I'm slightly going to give it a nice massage. It's really important to use a hair spray or a hair serum. Once you're done with your shampooing and conditioner, it will give a smooth, silky hair. My top ways of using aloe vera gel. So very soon in my next video, I'm going to show you how to use aloe vera for your face.